So remember, if you're planning to visit Nant Gwynant for the Watkin Path or Yr Wyddfa, you can catch the bus from Porthmadog and park here in Porthmadog. There's a vast choice of car parks here, and the bus actually starts from Yr Wyddfa. Whilst you're here in Porthmadog, do remember to download the Yr Wyddfa app, which includes a map and a cursor that will follow you all the way up to the summit and back down, and loads of information about how to plan your visits before you come here. If you're staying close to the Cambrian Line Railway, or if you're in the area, remember you can catch the train from the coast to Porthmadog and then catch the bus from here to the Yr Wyddfa area. Nant Gwynant's popularity has increased significantly over the last few years, and because of that reason there are yellow lines here now, double yellow, so if you're visiting, do not park on these lines because there will be repercussions, unfortunately. Nant Gwynant is a living community where people live and work. When you visit, please do respect the community, don't leave litter, make the most of the toilets at the bottom of the path, and keep the noise down early in the morning and later in the afternoon.